I'm Phillip with Vans Tire Pros and Auto Repair in the Canton, Ohio area. Since we signed up with the Tire Pros business management system, we've added 360 payments. One of our favorite features is the 360 payments customer financing portal. We love being able to see if those customers have the financing available for that repair needed, and also get them quick financing right there when they need it to make sure their car is repaired safely. With the 360 payment portal, we use the whole waterfall effect. So if a customer does not get approved through the synchrony, that water falls down to our next vendor. 360 payments allows us to use text to pay. It's really a highly convenient feature that we have. One of my manager jokes that we're the easiest and hardest to do business with because of our hours. We operate from 8 to 5, but we're the easiest because we offer services like text to pay and after hours pickup.